Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. On April 14, 2020, first online Ambedkar Jayanti celebrated in the world. Aquarius babies are the most likely to grow up to become famous according to a study published in the Journal of Social Sciences. 8-year-old girl found a four-leaf clover and gave it to her dad for good luck. When he died, she found out that he always kept it in his wallet for 20 years. If you are an average 27-year-old American, you have about 2,703 Saturdays left to live. Today, you are the oldest you have ever been and the youngest you will ever be. It's impossible to say the letters B, M, or P without your lips touching. A journalist runs across a bridge to rescue a baby during the Civil War in 1936. Most millennials go through a quarter life crisis according to a UK study. Full moon behind a tree. Going to concerts and experiencing live music can be more beneficial to your mental health than yoga according to researchers at Goldsmith University in London. An airplane cutting through the clouds. Dogs make judgments and can tell the difference between good and bad people. They are also more likely to avoid people who mistreat their owners according to researchers. Roman sea swimming pools in Cala Furia near Livorno, Italy. The first London Marathon was held on 29 March 1981. More than 20,000 applied to run. 6,747 were accepted and 6,255 crossed the finish line on Constitution Hill. Some erasable pens don't erase their ink, instead they use heat-sensitive ink, which changes color to become invisible when you apply friction to it. Start working on yourself, for yourself, by yourself. In order to stay hydrated, sea snakes drink a thin layer of fresh water called a lens that collects on the ocean surface after rainstorms. We must embrace pain and burn it as a fuel for our journey. In 2023, there were 195 countries officially recognized by the United Nations. You can waste your lives drawing lines, or you can live your life crossing them. In 2021, the average household debt in the US was $96,371. Animated film. Kerala was the first Indian state to start the lottery. The government of Kerala established the Kerala State Lotteries in 1967. Villa Las Estrellas is a fully functioning town in Antarctica. It has a school for the local children, a church, and a fully equipped gymnasium with a sauna. A very small percentage of people suffer from something known as anesthetic awareness, where they can be fully awake during surgery but unable to speak or move. Hylophora cecropia are the largest moths found in North America. Supervision and rapid brain process help flies escape the attack. FedEx founder Frederick Smith saved the company from bankruptcy by flying to Las Vegas and playing blackjack with the last $5,000 the company had. Our inflamed and swollen vocal cords vibrate more slowly than normal, and our voice is lower than it usually is. A woman with a fear of dogs adapted Boo, a dog afraid of people. Together, they overcome their fears and formed a trusting bond. A hive with hexagonal grid is the strongest as the geometry of this shape uses the least amount of material to hold the most weight. Sophie Stadium, a $5 billion project, lacks air conditioning and relies on ocean's breezes for cooling. The design includes a special roof and walls. A healthy heart functions by contracting effectively and ejecting adequate amounts of blood into the rest of the body. When the brain is fully hydrated, the exchange of nutrients and toxins are more efficient, thus ensuring better concentration and mental alertness. Words should be used instead of very. Part 2. Parched. Jubilant. Precious. Dazzling. Famished. Bizarre. Feeble. Solemn. Thanks for watching.